Hi, so I wanted to discuss what I'm looking for in this assignment. So I've created this piece in Illustrator, and it was focused around the word home, and I just did a little design here. Again, it's wide open, which may be difficult for some of you and more exciting for others. Keep it simple, but again, think about the phrase or words that you would like to deal with. Take a look at the section on typography, and then take a look at packaging your file. So I'll show you what I mean here. Once we've got our idea, obviously Arial is not a font that really sells this home. I want it to be retro, kind of 70s looking. So what I can do is go to dafont.com, and then they have categories over here, and you can also just search for your own. But I'm going to look up Groovy here. It's kind of the style I'm looking for. But before you go any further, we need to make sure that it is free for personal use. We are not going to be making money off of these pieces. We're just doing it for educational and personal use. So submit. Then you can see what kind of text you want to use. We have a wide variety. I was going to do something different. We'll just start with this first one since it's easier. You'll want to download it. And then look at our downloads here. And you'll just double click on the Keep on Truckin' and install the font. Now please email me or let me know if you're working in the computer lab. Things will be slightly different. But now that I have that here, I can use Keep on Truckin', and then my text is set. So now what I'm going to need to do is go to File and then Package. You're going to notice, okay, this needs to be saved. You can see location where it's being saved. Mine is going right onto the desktop. I called this project home, but you know, Fuller package underscore folder. And you can see if there were any links, it would save the links. It's going to copy the font and create a report. So then I'll click package. Read these rights and talking about fonts and permissions, and then you can hit OK. And then I can go onto my desktop. This is what I'm going to be submitting, but you can see I have my AI file, the report, and then my font. So I had used a different one when I tried this before, but it's keeping the font. Why is this important? Because if you were to just send me your AI, and this is why we've been submitting PDFs so far, if you submit the AI file and I do not have the font, this is just going to turn into a red bar with whatever font it thinks. So it loses your layout, it loses your placement. So then for submission, you're just going to need to right mouse click on it and then compress. And then it creates a zip folder and you can turn that in for submission. If you're not using a Mac and you need help creating a zip file, let me know, and I hope you enjoy the project.